All right, hey guys, this is Rennie and
Sydney.
And we are going to talk about a brand new product. And you know, towels are kind of a hot topic because toweling and detailing, whether you're pro or pro amateur, they're pretty dang expensive these days.
Yeah.
It's not like back in the day where you went and got a cheap terry cloth and spent 10 cents on it. These towels could be some serious money, and we're starting to get some issues called load up on towels.
Yeah.
So, Sydney, you started working with P&S and the Rag Company on Rags to Riches. So I'm going to step out and let you kind of explain the product.
Okay.
Because you know it like nobody else, and show us how it's done and what it's special. And this is pretty cool what she's going to show you here. So here we go.
So I started testing this product early 2020, and what I found that I loved the most about it and what I wanted to talk about today was its ability to strip old sealants out of the towels. So that has become a major problem, especially for those of us who love to use BeadMaker as our drying aid. So specifically my favorite drying towel is the Double Twistress from the Rag Company. And so what happens when you use this as a drying towel and you're using BeadMaker as your drying aid, these towels only last you about 4 or 5 cars until they literally just will not absorb the water anymore. So this is one that I had in a pile that I had set to the side because it didn't work anymore. And I'm going to show you how when we go to dry that, and if you can see that surface, it leaves a lot of water behind on the surface, which is not good. That is not my favorite thing. So when that happens, we need to do what we call strip all the old sealants, waxes, detergents. I know a lot of us probably have poor washing habits, and we just kind of pour the soap in and it ends up being too much. So what this product does when you first get it is you're going to want to strip all of the old stuff out of your towels, get them back to like new condition, and then you can just maintain them with this detergent. So last night I stuck all of my old drying towels in this bucket with warm water and about 1/4 cup of the Rags to Riches. And you guys, this is what it pulls out of the towels. That is so nasty. So these ones are still soaking, but I had one that has been stripped. So this is a Double Twistress. This towel, and you can see it's a little ragged, but it is literally several years old. So wanted to show you how this just literally goes back to like new, perfect absorbing condition, which is so cool because we all know these drying towels are not cheap and we want them to last for a long time. All right, so let's talk too about how often you need to strip your towels. So you really should only need to strip them the very first time that you switch over to this detergent. So what we're trying to do again is try to strip all the sealants and the old detergents that we were using out of the towels. So you'll do this kind of hard strip once, and then once you've switched over to Rags to Riches, you shouldn't need to strip them again, but maybe once a year just for maintenance. But then using this detergent will keep them clean and it will keep those sealants from building up. So that's the great thing, is you only have to do this once. But I do really suggest doing the stripping right when you get the product, just so that you're starting fresh and you're getting the maximum benefits of using the Rags to Riches.
All right, so Sydney, let's talk about usage. So the bottle itself has got a measuring, and it's simply a squeeze and fill. So how much are you using for a load?
So for a standard load, you're going to use about 1 to 2 ounces depending on your washing machine. So high efficiency front loaders are probably only going to take 1 ounce. If you have a top loader and you really want to give them that good soaking time, you might need 2 ounces. Right. And this is a 32-ounce bottle, so you're going to get a lot of loads of towels out of that.
Okay. Now, how much are you putting in when you're stripping it? What's
this was about 4 ounces, so it's about a half a cup is a good amount.
And then how many towels? Can you really pack them in there, or do you want to?
Yeah, I think I had. I think there was 7, 8 towels in here last night. So, and obviously, if you have a washing machine, especially a top loader, you can do that soak. Mine's a front loader, so I can't soak them in there. But if you have a top loader, you can let it fill all the way, open the hood, and then it stops. And you can just leave them soaking there overnight.
Thank God that's what we've got.
Yeah.
So we can soak them.
Yeah.
It's because I'm horrible at doing the bucket.
I know. I know. You forget and all that. Yeah. Right. It works for me, but
cool.
Yeah.
So when product's going to be available here very shortly.
Yep.
So probably most likely,
a week from today, but
if you're watching the video, it's probably on the market.
November 19th, yes, exactly.
And so it's there, and then we're really happy to work with Rag Company on this. I'm excited to try it, so good job.
Yeah.
All right, so hey guys, thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to watch for future videos. Sydney and Kyle are real active on social media, doing a lot of videos. So.
Yeah, we'll cover it a lot more.
Exactly. So, and then if you have any special requests, reach out to us. So other than that, I'm taking this home. We'll see you later.